dead ahead. Collision situations, container vessel with blue hull, dead ahead. Tingnan ninyo yung nandyan sa harapan ninyo. Okay? Sige, number 2, come on. Sige, libre na.
Sir, target sighted. Container vessel with white hull. Approximately front on the port bow.
Approximately broad on your port bow. Saan yun? Okay. So are you sure that the 4 points broad on your port bow? Okay? Sige, manage to monitor that vessel, Mention to me if that vessel is about 3 points on your port bow. Okay? Sige ma'am, ikaw muna. Saka doon, libre ka muna dyan. Okay ma'am, saan ang target mo? Saan? Yes. Yes. Nasaan yung banda? Hindi sa'yo. Ulit nila natin. Ma, come on. Give that bearing of the target. Come on. You have to report. Nawala ka na, ma'am. You have to report. Set target sighted. Ilang points yan? Come on. Target sighted. Vessel what? Container vessel. Are you sure that is 3 points? I-measure ninyo kasi. Go 45 degrees and then measure ninyo. Okay, number 2, come on. Report back again. Take targets, bearing. How many bearing in that one?
Sir, there's a target. Container vessel with white hull. Approximately 2 points on the port bow.
Okay, approximately 2 points port bow. Very good. Ma'am, bantayan mo na yan sa'yo. Huwag mo nang kung saan ka pupunta. Nandiyan ka, bantayan mo. Ma'am, come on. Approximately broad on starboard bow. Yes, very good. Okay, report number 2.
Sir, target sighted. Container vessel with white hull. Approximately 1 point on the forward port bow.
Approximately 1 point on your port bow. Okay, very good. Ma'am, come on. Number 4. Saan ka na?
Sir, target sighted. Container vessel with white hull. Then ahead.
Okay, almost dead ahead, Okay, very good. Number 2. Ma'am, tayo. Okay, monitor the bearing of the target. Come on. Okay, report again back. Number 2. Mention that vessel is fast and clear.
Sir, target sighted. Container vessel with gray hull. Approximately 2 points on the starboard bow.
Fast and clear.
Fast and clear.
Okay, very good. Come on. Okay, Approximately 1 point where?
Northbound.
Very good. Okay, that vessel will going to overtake, ha? Sige. Ito ka muna. Okay, ma'am, continuous reporting. Okay, nasa 4 points pa rin, ha? Sure ka, ha? Sige, very good. So, number 4, come on. Report, number 4. Okay, report lang ng report, ha? Sige, ulit. Sir, target sighted.
Sir, target sighted.
Ulitin lang.
Valkyrie Pinwal.
Approximately how many points?
1 point. Northbound.
1 point on port bow, very good, ha? And mention that one. Mention ang sabihin mo sa target na yan. Basahin mo. That vessel is what?
Sir, target sighted. Vessel being overtaken on which side? Pushing.
Okay, anong side tayo mag-overtake? Okay. So we're going to overtake on the port side, ha? Okay? Nasa port side siya natin, okay? So, ma'am, come on, report.
Sir, target sighted. Approximately 4 points.
4 points pa rin ba?
Points with the starboard beam.
Ha? Sir, target sighted 3 points forward. Sinulat ko na yun, 3 points forward on the starboard beam. Okay? Yan, 3 points na yan. Okay? So again, number 4, report.
Sir, target sighted.
Ulitin mo lang ulit.
Sir, target sighted. Valkyrie Pinwal. Approximately 1 point into northbound.
Okay, approximately 1 point on your port bow. Very good. And that vessel is what? We're going to overtake, okay? So situations, that vessel we're going to overtake, ha? Okay, ma'am, come on. How many points now?
Sir, target sighted. Container vessel with the gray hull. Approximately 2 points on the forward beam.
2 points forward on the 2 points forward on the starboard
Starboard
beam,
beam.
ha? Okay, sige, very good, ha? So sige, monitor, ha? Okay. So number 4, monitor the target.
Sir, target sighted. Valkyrie Pinwal.